actually. I get sucked into it. So, चलिए, without further ado, I'd like to invite Shonali. Shonali, please join us, जो इस film की director है.
Thank you so much, Amir. I can't tell you how deeply grateful and honored I am. Because as you know, that if I had to choose anybody, not just in our country, but in the world, and I told you this when you watched it, to present my film, to present the first look to the country of the film, I would choose you. Because I feel you not just stand for what is best in Indian cinema as an actor and as a producer and as a director, but also you've shown that with the issues you stand for in the program you've done. And some of the things have intersected with our film on sexuality and disability. So I'm really, really over the moon when you said you could make time. And it's very generous of you to make the time and come here for my film. So thank you for that. So I'd like to start by introducing everybody who's worked on the film and bring them up here before we start the official press conference. It's really, really fantastic and exciting that so many of them are here. I'd like to start with the person without whom I couldn't have done this film, who's the co-writer, co-director, and the producer of the film, Nilesh Maniyar. The key creative heads of this film. You know, in this film, I think with any film, every aspect of filmmaking is so important, the details, and I was absolutely so privileged and lucky to have the people that I got as the heads of department on this film. It was hard work. I pushed them really hard, and I think together we created what we have done. So I'd like to start by inviting Prasoon Joshi, our lyricist. Sound designer Rasool Pukuti. Rasool and I have worked on all our films together, Amu and Margarita with the Straw. Music composer Mikey McCleary. My editor Monisha Baldava. Costume designer Niharika Bhasin. I'd also like to call our co-producers. Of course, it was an honor that Viacom 18 partnered with Ishan Talkies, and they've been with me right from the beginning, right from the stage of the script to bring this film forward to the country and to release it, and that's just thrilling and exciting. So Ajit, will you be coming back on stage? So for me, the two screenings that were the most scary and important for me were showing it to Ajit and then Amir. And with Ajit, really so, because with Ajit, I don't know Ajit, like I know Amir's taste. So I felt Amir is likely to like it, and especially he doesn't want to fight with Kiran, so he's really likely to like it. But with Ajit, I don't know Ajit. And when I joined with Viacom, I didn't know. And I remember when he walked in, I was just terrified. And I was watching him watch it, and he was laughing and crying, just the way Amir did when he watched it. And at the end, he came and hugged me, and he said, "It's the best film I've seen," and I'll never forget that moment. Thank you, Ajit. But this film couldn't have been made with two very, very important people who are the co-producers of the film. Like, it takes an army to make a film, and it wasn't just enough to have the studio. So I'm really thrilled and honored to have with us from Pune our two co-producers, Ravinder Jakotia and Mr. Dharmesh from Cool Homes. And the most important co-producer for this film, who's also my uncle, from the organization Adapt, Able Disabled All People Together, Mr. Satya Loor. We thought a lot about how we would cast this film and whether we'd be able to actually pull it off. It was a really scary decision. I felt that if I can't find that right actor to play Laila, I'm going to not make this film, because it was so important that that character, Laila, be able to pull off. And while you're watching this film, you don't realize that she's actually an able-bodied actor. And to pull that off is something so difficult. Nilesh was the casting director as well, and Kalki was his very first choice. And I told Kalki that, you'll need to do an audition. And if you can even give me a jhalak, 10% of that role in that audition, and if you can commit to working for 3 to 6 months, then we should partner to do this. And she was the one person in India who really gave that jhalak, as well as understood that it's not enough to have talent, but you need to have commitment and hard work and perseverance to pull off a role like this. It's not surprising that at the Talent Black Nights Film Festival, Eddie Redmayne got the Best Actor for Theory of Everything, who won the Oscar, and Kalki got Best Actress. If India could participate in the Oscars, I have no doubt that it would be Kalki who would have been answering that acceptance speech at the Oscars. So please help me in welcoming Kalki Koechlin. Kalki Koechlin. It's pronounced Koechlin. Kalki Koechlin. Revati was really sad that she couldn't join us today, and she's hopefully will be there before the release. She's a very, very important person in this film. But I'm thrilled to have two of my other actors here who are also important in the film. First of all, character playing Khanum, Shayoni, who we're actually launching in this film, Shayoni Gupta. She's just been absolutely brilliant, and internationally, just as everyone couldn't believe it that Kalki didn't have cerebral palsy, nobody could believe that Shayoni was actually sighted and not visually impaired. So, and Hussain Dalal, who plays Dhruv. Any other cast and crew are here of Margarita, please come up on stage. Atika Chauhan, Hindi dialogue writer, Vikram Nath Gupta, first AD, Joy Barua, guest composer. I'm sorry, I can't see. And Virginia Holmes, makeup. We couldn't have done it without you, Virginia. Anyone else? Okay, thank you all so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, can we have a round of applause for all of them? We will now begin with the Q&A. Ladies and gentlemen, requesting Mr. Amir Khan, Shonali Bose, Kalki Koechlin, Ajit Andhare, Rasul Pakutti, Nilesh Manyar, Prasun Joshi, Mikey McCleary, Ravindra Jakotia, and Dharmesh Katani to please stay back on stage. And Shayoni, please stay back. Yeah, requesting you, you can now ask your questions, introduce yourselves first, raise your hand so that we can pass the mic to you, and go ahead and enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, you can now proceed.
पहले आप किस तरीके से किस मनोस्थिति में गए थे कि यार ये फिल्म कैसी होगी, और फिल्म देखने के बाद आपका क्या रिएक्शन था?
चूंकि किरण ने इतनी तारीफ की थी और किरण के टेस्ट में मुझे बड़ा भरोसा है, तो इतनी तारीफ ही की थी तो मुझे लगा था कि यकीनन अच्छी फिल्म होगी। और वाकई जब मैंने फिल्म देखी तो आई वाज जस्ट फ्लोर्ड विद द फिल्म। ये फिल्म आपको हंसाती है, रुलाती है, आपको सोचने पर मजबूर करती है, और आखिर में आपको एक सेलिब्रेटरी मूड में छोड़ती है। इट ऑल्सो इंस्पायर्स यू, इट मेक्स यू फील गुड। it's a very lovely story, very well made film, बहुत ही बेहतरीन फिल्म मुझे लगी। और बहुत कम फिल्में हैं मुझे लगता है हिंदुस्तान में जो हम बनाते हैं जिसमें कि जो हमारे मेन लीड कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो उन्हें कोई तकलीफ होती है, जिस्मानी तौर पे कोई तकलीफ होती है, जिसे आम ज़बान में हम डिसेबल्ड कहते हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड कहते हैं। मुझे बल्कि कई डिफरेंटली एबल्ड लोगों ने ये सवाल पूछा है कि आप क्यों ऐसी फिल्म नहीं बनाते ऐसे किरदारों के ऊपर, ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स के ऊपर। तो जब मैंने ये फिल्म देखी तो मुझे लगा कि हाँ वाकई आखिर किसी ने ये फिल्म बनाई है। और ये फिल्म जो आपके लीड प्रोटैगनिस्ट हैं वो डिसेबल्ड हैं या डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, लेकिन उनमें जो जज्बा है वो बहुत ही कमाल का जज्बा है, तो बहुत ही कमाल की फिल्म बनाई है। तो आई थिंक जो आमतौर पे जो हमारे समाज में जो लोग हैं जो डिफरेंटली एबल्ड हैं, उनको उनके हीरोज कौन हो सकते हैं, उनके लिए कौन किरदार हैं, उनके किरदार भी हम पर्दे पे देखें, तो ये एक फिल्म है जिसमें ऐसा हमें मौका मिलता है।
Shonali? Mr. Sandeep Shukla, CKR